A bowling ball. A pumpkin. Do you know what a physical property is? No, what is it, Savannah? It's kind of like a way to describe the pumpkin, like it's round. So a physical property of this pumpkin is orange. Yes, it's the color. And bumpy. Bumpy's another one, right? Absolutely. Wow, this is cold. There's another one. It's temperature. This stem is sure spiky. Wow, you are good at finding physical properties. Thanks. This is about 11.5 inches tall. You're a pro at this, Sally. Thanks. It's about 8 inches long. Awesome job. It weighs about 2 pounds. Amazing. Let's see how much you know. Oh, this should be easy. What is the shape? It's 2 ovals for its body and rectangle legs with circle eyes. Excellent. Now it's your turn, Sam. All right. What's the color? Easy. Blackish brown with red eyes. Fantastic. This is warm. That's the temperature. This is soft. That's the texture. 43 inches wide. Width. 8 inches long. Length. Now you know all about the physical properties of science.